Hello, good morning. How are you? Hope you all are enjoying seeing videos. Yes? Very good, and it's really interesting to hear about it. Do you remember what we have learnt in last English session? We have revised alphabet A to I. So now let's quickly do the recap of these alphabet A to I and learn a new alphabet J, which is the next alphabet. A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. C for cookies. D for duck. E for eggs. F for frog. G for grapes. H for hat. I for ice cream. Now, let's learn the next alphabet, J. J says jar. J for jellyfish. बच्चा आपको पता है जेलीफिश पानी में रहती है और वो जेली की तरह सॉफ्ट होती है और बहुत सारे डिफरेंट कलर्स में भी होती है. J for जैकेट. आपको पता है हम जैकेट ठंडी की सीजन में पहनते हैं और ये भी बहुत सारे रंगों में मिलता है शॉपिंग मॉल में. J for जोकर. जोकर पता है आपको कहाँ दिखता है हमें? सर्कस में, और वो अपनी हंसते हंसते हम उसकी अलग अलग हरकतों से हमें हंसाता है. J for जैम. बच्चों मम्मा अपने को रोटी पे और ब्रेड पे जैम लगा के देती है ना. इट इज़ यम्मी एंड डिलिशियस. J for जग and J for juice. जग में हम जूस भरते हैं ठंडा ठंडा और फिर मम्मी हमें ग्लास में देती है और हम पीते हैं. Now it's an activity time. See children, what do I have here? I have alphabet J. Red color paper cut out and red color strips. I have googly eyes and glue also. Now we are going to make jellyfish with alphabet J. First we will paste this alphabet J. We will apply glue over here like this. We will apply glue here and we will paste this alphabet J. We will just paste it like this here. Now we will take this body of our jellyfish and we will apply glue again here. And we will paste this body here on this. Now we will take this googly eyes, apply glue on this googly eyes here and we will paste this googly eyes. Now we will take this strip, apply slightly here, glue here and we will paste this here down here like this. What are we going to make, We are going to make is tentacles, means soft legs. Glue and paste it here like this. Again take one more strip like here. Apply glue and paste it. Again take one more. Apply glue and paste it. Again take a strip. Apply glue and paste here. See children, what did we make? We made a jellyfish. J for jellyfish. Okay then, bye. Take care. See you in the next session.